So hello guys, welcome back in my new video. In today's video I will show you how to set up and install Cisco packet tracer. So you need to just write Cisco packet tracer download and you will be in this particular site. Okay, then download that file. After opening you will see you need to agree the agreements and all. Choose your path where you need to download, then do next. It will take some time. Okay, you need to do the setup and then you choose accordingly if you want to create a quick launch for desktop. Okay, click install and it will take some time. It is extracting the file. Okay, Cisco packet tracer is very good tool for networking purposes. You can go through the real world use case of how routers are used or how subnets are done or something like that. You can go through that and you can learn many things. Okay, so it is very useful. You need to download it and it will take around like a few minutes to. So see here if you are getting any error then just comment it down. Okay, and if you are new in channel then please like and subscribe. Just it's a how to video. Okay, so I am currently making how to videos only so that everyone can download the prerequisites of how cybersecurity is done. Okay, so first the prerequisites are important. So after that I will be giving some much more depth knowledge about ethical hacking also. Okay, so I have made previously many videos on ethical hacking also, but nowadays I am making some how to videos so that the prerequisites and the beginners part will be quick and easy to understand. Okay, so that's all, and here it's going, and let's see how much time it will take. If you want any new video on any topic, please comment and I will be making. If it's related to cybersecurity or ethical hacking, I will be making it. Okay, if you're facing any problem, anything, you can share in comments. So yeah, here it's done guys, and now you will see something like you need to log in. Okay, so here it is finished. So after finish you need to click on finish and then you need to just log in. Okay, it will be opened automatically as you have given permission for quick launch. Okay, so here multi-user application, do yes, and then you need to log in. Okay, here you will be in a browser there and just go and go with Google and select your Gmail accordingly and you will be logged in. Go back to that packet tracer. Okay, you are logged in. See back in here. Now here you can see all the stacks and all. You can use it and practice your purpose and learn many new things. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, so meet you in next video. Till then, bye.